let's say you had an opportunity to talk to Howard Schultz, and he came to you, and you could ask him a question that would help him restore the barista handshake experience. Because when you were chatting earlier, you're talking about you'd get the thumbs up from the barista, which meant they know what your coffee is, and they'd have it there, and you got, the extra creamy foam, and you increased the quality of the experience, could restore that. Is there any restoring a brand that loses its relevance? If your business isn't maintaining relevance, it loses momentum. Mm-hmm. And that is the fear, I think, every founder has. If you have a strong personal brand, the moment you start losing relevance, it's like, uh-oh, that's a fear. And when you see a brand losing your relevance, and it's like, you just know it. It's like the herd starts to abandon its leader. Something gets lost. Mm-hmm. And so what's a super powerful Dan Sullivan question that could restore relevance or restore the original energy that existed before?
Yeah, I think the question I would ask him, Howard, when you started it if you had to pick a 10-year period when you loved how your company was growing, what was that 10-year period? And what were the three things you liked most about that period? So I'd get him fixated. Again, my favorite thing is going back to people's past